this world is fearful because no one is protecting him. But every devotee is fearless because Krishna is protecting the devotee, and the devotee feels that protection. Some may say, what is this protection? How can I believe in all this? If one chants Hare Krishna, he will be saved from the greatest dangers. And by chanting, one will feel the protection. All the obstacles in his life are removed by chanting this Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. Whether one decides to live here in the community, or whether he's just practicing in his home, in his spare time, as much as he takes shelter of this holy name, this powerful sound vibration, the names of Krishna, so much he'll be protected in his life, and he'll become fearless and happy. That I see as soon as I came, how happy everyone looks. Those are the guests. You just look at the devotee. Don't they look happy? How is it that they get so happy? Each one of you should ask yourself, you should study in yourself, what is the secret of happiness? Will I get happy from external things or from my internal mind? What makes me happy? We should study. Obviously our mind makes us happy. Our inner thoughts, from inside comes happiness. Just like now it's very warm here. A cold shower is happy. It makes one feel good. In the winter, when I was in Germany, it was quite cold. There the cold shower was not pleasant. But the same water temperature is there, but one place I'm happy, one place I'm sad. In the sense of material happiness and pleasure and distress. So ultimately, that's a very superficial example, of course. Ultimately, happiness comes from within. But we're looking for happiness from without. Therefore, we are frustrated. Therefore, although we're dragged here and there by our very willing servants, our senses, we are not satisfied. So the devotees who completely take shelter of Krishna's name, who dedicate their every bit of intelligence in serving Him with their bodies, mind, and words, they get the full nectar.